Well, as you can see, I've got a Better Homes and Gardens Crossmill TV stand. My wife wanted a new TV stand put in the bedroom here. It's actually our guest room. This one shows to hold a 37 to 65 inch flat panel TV up to 95 pounds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the box, let you see what it looks like in pieces. Then I'm going to put it together, and at the end I'm going to tell you what was easy, what was hard, what I like, what I dislike. So stay with me just a second and we'll have it out of the box. Well, here's all the pieces for it. There's a whole lot more there than I thought there would be. You can see all the instructions and a lot of little pieces and nuts and bolts and screws and shelves. So I'm going to put this baby together, and I'll be back when it's put together, and I'll tell you how long it took me, and I'll also tell you what went wrong, so stay with me. Well, I'm back. I've got it put together. Before I get started to give you some of my tips, let me first tell you that I did buy this from Walmart. The price at the time I bought it was $248. The number on the box was LR04. So I told you I'd tell you how long it took me. It took me 2 hours. Now let me tell you first, if you're not at least an average handyman that can read and follow instructions, please don't attempt this. You'll just get mad at yourself. Just get somebody to do it for you. If you got somebody that can help you, it will help. I didn't have anybody, but there's a couple of times that it would have been nice to have somebody hold a part or get a part or help square something up. So if you got somebody that can help you, get them. It's not necessary. One thing, go by the instructions, go step by step. The only thing I had to take back apart and rework was these two. Let me open these up. These two cross members right here. And as you can see, the reason I did is there's a magnet, a hole that a magnet fits in, and there's one on each side. I had them crossed so the magnet holes was on the inside, so I had to take them back apart and switch them out, which didn't take long, but that's something I did miss, and I thought I'd maybe save you the aggravation of doing it. So, hey, this is from Walmart. I'm not used to getting a heavy piece of furniture like this from Walmart. It's definitely heavy, so get somebody to help you get it till you pick up and unload it, because it is heavy. Hey, if you like this, if I helped you out, made your life a little easier, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I told you if I do anything, put something together, buy something, go somewhere, I'm going to share it with you. So, till next time, catch you later.